Welcome to a quick and clear guide on updating your Discord channel name. If you've ever wondered how to refresh a channel to match a new project, team, or vibe, this walkthrough will have you covered in just a few steps. First, open Discord and head to your server. On the left side, you'll see a list of channels. Find the channel you want to rename and give it a long press or a long click, depending on your device. This gesture brings up a contextual menu with options for managing the channel. From the menu, select Edit Channel. This opens the channel settings where you can tailor many details. The next screen centers on the channel's name and purpose, making it the right place to update what people should expect when they tune in. Tap on the channel name field. The current name will be highlighted, ready for you to change. Here's where you can get creative or keep things simple and descriptive. Clear the old name by deleting it, then type in your new channel name. Think about clarity, brevity, and consistency with your server's overall naming scheme. Once you've entered the new name, look for the Save option. Tap or click Save to confirm the change. Depending on your device, the Save button might be located at the bottom of the screen or in the corner, but it should be easy to spot once you're done editing. After saving, double-check the channel list to ensure the new name appears correctly. It's a good idea to refresh your view or reopen the server to confirm the update is visible to everyone.